If you want to quickly open your friends list in the Epic Games Launcher, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly where to find it, how to view your online and offline friends, how to send new friend requests, and how to check pending requests in just a few seconds. This is a simple but useful tip, especially if you play multiplayer games and want to connect with friends fast. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy gaming tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Epic Games Launcher on your computer and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once the launcher is open, look toward the upper right hand corner of the window. You should see the Friends icon, which looks like two silhouettes next to each other. This is the button you need to click to open your friends list. Go ahead and click that Friends icon and the Friends panel will appear on the screen. Inside this panel, you'll see your friends list, including who is currently online and who is offline. This makes it easy to see who's available to play right away. If you want to add a new friend, use the search bar inside the Friends panel. Just type in their Epic Games name or username and then send the request. You can also review any pending friend requests right from the same panel, so you don't have to go searching through different menus. That's really all there is to it. The Friends icon in the top right corner is the fastest way to access your Epic Games friends list, manage requests, and find people to play with. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss more simple tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.